The Realme Neo 7 SE is a feature-rich smartphone with a focus on robust performance and endurance. Realme has introduced the Neo 7 SE, the first smartphone powered by the Dimensity 8400 Max chipset. Designed for gaming, it features a 7000 mAh Titan battery, an advanced cooling system, and AI-driven optimizations. The device also boasts flagship-level durability, setting a new benchmark in its price range. The Realme Neo 7 SE is positioned as a strong contender in the mid-range segment, particularly for users prioritizing battery life and performance. Its durability and competitive pricing further enhance its appeal. The device debuts with MediaTek's Dimensity 8400 Max chipset, built on a 4nm process. It features an octa-core CPU with a peak clock speed of 3.25 GHz and a Mali G720 GPU running at 1.3 GHz. It supports up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM with an additional 12 GB of dynamic memory expansion and offers up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The device also features a large 7700mm squared vapor chamber cooling system to sustain peak performance. It comes with a GT Performance engine that optimizes frame rates and enables native zero-latency interpolation, supporting up to 120 FPS in open-world games. The Neo 7 SE runs on Realme UI 6.0, based on Android 15, bringing AI-driven optimizations such as AI Portal 2.0 and Fluid Cloud. The gaming experience is enhanced with DeepSeek AI Assistant, which introduces Ultra Combo one-tap skill activation and auto-optimization for open-world RPGs. The Realme Neo 7 SE features a 6.78-inch, 1.5K flat gaming display with 450 ppi, a peak brightness of 6000 nits, and ultra-thin 1.49mm bezels for a 93.9% screen-to-body ratio. It supports a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling, and a 2600Hz instant touch response. The display offers 10.7 billion colors, a 100% DCI-P3 gamut with 10,000-level automatic brightness adjustment. For eye protection, it includes hardware-level full-brightness DC-like dimming, 2V Rhineland Smart Eye Protection Certification 3.0, high-frequency PWM, and AI-assisted optimizations. For photography, the Neo 7 SE is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor with optical image stabilization OIS. The sensor features a 1.953-inch size and an f1.8 aperture, delivering high-quality shots with improved low-light performance. It supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS and slow-motion recording at 240 FPS and 720p. Accompanying the main sensor is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a 112 degrees field of view. On the front, a 16-megapixel Sony sensor enhances selfie capabilities with AI-driven portrait and night photography features. The smartphone packs a 7000 mAh Titan battery with an ultra-high energy density of 800 watt-hours per liter, ensuring long-lasting endurance. Despite its large battery, the phone maintains a slim profile at just 8.56mm thick. It supports 80-watt smart fast charging, with Realme claiming that Honor of Kings can run at 120 FPS for up to 7.6 hours on a single charge. The device also supports bypass charging, which reduces heat generation during gaming. The Neo 7 SE is designed with durability in mind, boasting IP69, IP68, and IP66 certifications, making it resistant to high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. It also features crystal armor glass for drop resistance. The phone is the first in Realme's lineup to support glove touch, wet hand touch, and use inside waterproof bags. It also supports dual 5G SIM with SA compatibility, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, upgradable to Bluetooth 6.0 via OTA. It features multi-band positioning for precise navigation and delivers enhanced audio with dual stereo speakers, O-Reality audio, and high-res certification. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.